Hello! Today I will show you how to replace old damaged earpod cushions on Jabra Evolve2 65 headphones. If you work as hard in a call center as my grandma does, then your earpods probably look just like this. But don't worry, we will fix them together in no time. Grab a knife for courage and carefully try to remove the earpod. Cushion is attached to the headphone body with small plastic clips. The knife is for courage because no one would want to ruin their grandma's favorite work headset. Once you have removed both old earpod cushions, take the new replacement earpods. The link to them is in the video description. As you can see, the old earpads and the headset body don't indicate which side is right or left, but you're in luck, because I know that the side with the microphone is the right side and the side without the mic is the left side. Then place the earpod on, twist it slightly to find the best position and press gently to secure it. Do the same for the other earpod. It's really that easy. Grandma will be very surprised in the morning because she won't believe they are the same Jabra headphones. But this way you can easily restore them without having to buy new ones. Good luck, my friend!